pressed for time, put you on my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're...
See, it's possible to grow your small account after all. If you want to learn how to grow your small trading account, then this video is right for you. Hello guys and girls, today I'm here to explain to you the best way on how you can grow your small forex trading account. Now, over my many years of experience in this trading industry, I have seen a lot of traders with very amazing trading strategies or systems but never turned out to be profitable traders in the long run. Why is that? It's because they did not know what I'm about to teach you today. And that is how to trade while thinking in probabilities. So in this video today, we will concentrate on how to trade while thinking in probabilities and be able to grow your trading account consistently and possibly be among the top 1% traders in the industry. Alright guys and girls, so thinking in probability simply means that we do not know the actual sequence of our wins or losses, but we understand that over large sample data our age will play out. To understand more, let's take a look at this whiteboard so that we can go a little bit deeper into it. So first up is coin theory. It's really important to understand this concept in and out. So in order for us to understand these sequences of wins and losses, we first need to understand what exactly age means within the market. So let's look at this from a coin. Let's say for example we have a coin with flip maybe 100 times. If we were to look here at probability, then we would probably agree on 50-50% chances, right? That's to say 50% hits, 50% tells. But what you can't do is you to tell me the exact order of those flips. Now let's take that one step further and we look more on coin theory. So coin theory suggests that if you have heads weighted 70%, what would be the ratio then if it was to flip those 100 times? I'm sure by this percentage we would all bank on heads for this case. So if we flip 100 times, then 70% of the time it would be heads. Once you know that you have a formula that's work, something that's already tasted, that you know it's going to give you an age over a large sample size of data, then it goes straight into probability. So most people think that they do think in probabilities, but the truth is they actually don't. So we are going to turn your minds into a probability expert with just some few simple exercises right here on this video today. So let's take a look at the sequences that we have here on the whiteboard. So we have the first month, the second month, and lastly the third month. So what this represents here is just 10 coins. As you can see, I've got both losses, wins, and break-even trades as they are represented by this letter B. So what we are going to look here is the sequence of how does this tie in and how does this actually feel when you're trading. So when it comes to trading, we have what we know and what we don't know. What we don't know is the exact sequence of our wins and losses, and we do not know when they're going to occur. So for example, if you're trading, let's take a look at this first part here. Do you know that these first two losses are going to be in the first week of the month, or are they going to be in the first day where you take two losses in a row? That is something that we can't control, we can't force, and we shouldn't force. So we don't know the frequency as to when that happens, and it's important to understand the psychology to the whole process. Let's actually take a look at this. Let's say the first month we have a loss, loss, win, win, loss, win, break even, loss, loss, break even. How do you think that would feel emotionally if you are trading at this point? Think about it. You start the first month, loss, loss. what kind of mind frame would you be in when realizing that? Well, let's take a look at this whole process. If your average risk reward ratio is 3%, 3 to 1, then it would mean that you lost -1, lost 3, lost 3, break even, -1, break even. So you can see here at 3%, 3%, 3%, we are looking at 9%. And how many losses have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you do the math, we have got a net 4% profits. So even though you only technically had 3 wins in this process, and you had break even and losses, even on that strike, you are still profitable. But it's the thought process reading into this and understanding that we do not know the sequence of wins and losses. You don't know which trade is going to come, which leads me on to the second month. Now imagine that we start off break even, loss, break even. How do you think someone's feeling right now? Maybe at this point, they start to question the trading plan, maybe questioning the strategy, thinking, what have I done wrong? Is this strategy even real? And many more thoughts. Now at this point, I can say you are in a fear-based mindset. Well, let's take a look to see if this month can be profitable. So we look here at the W here. So win, win, win. Now we have 3 wins in a row. That's a 9%. Then comes break even and another win. If you do the math now, it becomes 12%. Then we got -12%, -2. So we are at a net 10% profit. Now, guys and girls, did that actually feel like we are trading at 10% profits in the beginning? Probably not, right? Maybe even fearing a little bit at this point. Mind you that these losses might be from a very high quality trading setups, but they just didn't play out in the beginning, and that's okay. And this is why we say don't judge yourself every single day, every single week, or even every single month. Judge yourself at least quarterly, because the statistics say lots of traders, 99% of them can't keep their capital in 90 days. So judge yourself at least quarterly. If you are able to protect your capital at least 90 days, then you are automatically out of the 99% of losing traders and be among the top 1%. Then moving on to the last part, which is the third month. If you take a look here, we can see we have got a win, 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 break even. So we have 3 losses and a break even. This is one of the most important things to understand here, because this is where comes that kind of invisible kind of mindsets. Because you see here, you win, 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 break even. When you think you're just onto a winning streak in that sense, and that you can never lose, that kind of mind comes to encourage you to take less trades. So this is where a process of outcome driven mindset comes so important. Guys and girls, if you want to join my one-to-one mentorship class or a signal page of mine where you'll be getting signals daily from me, then I suggest that you contact me through the link in the description below. Please like this video, then subscribe to this channel without forgetting to turn the notification bell icon on for more videos to come. Thank you so much for your time, and bye.